हाय डियर स्टूडेंट, मैं इंसान अली सुहागी देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद महाराजगंज। टुडे you are most welcome in this my online class. Today we have to read about voice for class 9, 10, 11 and second year. Subject English, grammar. Voice. Before this online classes or in my previous online class, you have read about voice, some other use in passive voice, and after then present continuous. Today we have to read about present perfect tense active voice into passive voice. Present perfect tense. Affirmative. Before it, you have read how to change active voice into passive voice present indefinite, and after then present continuous, and today come to present perfect. You know, in active voice present perfect tense auxiliary verb has or have. आप जानते हो कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट की एक्टिव वॉइस की सहायक क्रिया होती है हैज और है, एंड हियर इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पैसिव वॉइस हैज बीन एंड हैव बीन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड आफ्टर देन if object is singular then has, if object is plural with I then have, plus been, mean has been and have been. Verb third part by subject etc. For example, she has taken food. So first of all we have to write object. सबसे पहले हम ऑब्जेक्ट लिखेंगे. After then auxiliary verb has been, verb third form by she into her. In this way we can solve present perfect tense affirmative sentence. And suppose that in present perfect tense negative sentence, first of all we have to write object, then has or have, after then not plus been. For example, I have not finished the work. So object is here the work. The work has not been finished by I into me. And suppose that if auxiliary verb comes in the first of sentence, then first of all we have to write has or have according to object. After then subject, then been plus verb third form etc. For example, has he drunk tea? So first of all, according to object, we have to write auxiliary verb. Has tea been drunk by him? And suppose that if question word comes first, why, then we have to write why. Interrogative, negative. If auxiliary verb come first, then we have to write has or have, then subject, then not. For example, have they not beaten you? So first of all, we have to write auxiliary verb according to object. Object is you, then we have to write have. ऑब्जेक्ट यू है तो हम सहायक क्रिया हैव लिखेंगे. हैव यू नॉट बीन बीटेन बाई दे इंटू देम, दे कन्वर्ट्स इंटू देम. So in this way we have to solve present perfect tense. So first present indefinite, after then present continuous, and after then present perfect. And you know, before this I have already told you that present perfect continuous is not changed into passive voice. So present tense is over. Come to past indefinite. Past indefinite tense. You know, in active voice, in past indefinite, auxiliary verb did, and here in past indefinite passive voice, auxiliary verb was and were. If object is singular with I, then we use auxiliary verb was, and if object is plural, then we use auxiliary verb were. अगर पास्ट इंडिफिनिट के एक्टिव वॉइस में कर ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कर्म एक वचन है तो हम सहायक क्रिया वाच का प्रयोग करेंगे. कर्म बहुवचन है, प्लूरल नंबर है, तो हम सहायक क्रिया वेयर का यूज करेंगे. बनाने का नियम क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट सब्जेक्ट, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट वी राइट वाज एंड वेयर, and verbs third form by subject etc. For example, I wrote a letter. So object a letter, and a letter is singular, then we use was, right की थर्ड फॉर्म written by me. And suppose that if a sentence is negative in past indefinite, then object was and were after not. For example, she did not like coffee. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट ऑब्जेक्ट. सबसे पहले हम ऑब्जेक्ट लिखेंगे. काफी is similar number, then we have to write auxiliary verb was, after then negative not, verbs third form. Coffee was not liked by she into her. In interrogative, if auxiliary verb come first, did she like coffee, then we use according to object was or where, after then subject verbs third form. Sorry, object. So first of all we have to write according to object auxiliary verb was, coffee, after then verbs third form, liked by she into her. So in this way we have to solve a past indefinite tense interrogative sentence in passive voice. Come to, if a question words come in the beginning of any sentence, then we have to write question word first, after then auxiliary verb was or were, and after then object, and after then verbs third form by subject etc, and at last question mark. For example, when did I eat food? So here question word comes first. So first of all, without thinking anything, question word comes first, and after then according to object we have to write auxiliary verb was, when was food eaten by me. So in this way we have to solve a past indefinite tense interrogative sentence. So in this way we have to solve past indefinite tense interrogative sentence passive voice and interrogative negative. Suppose that auxiliary verb come first in active voice, then first of all we have to write was or where, and after then object verbs third form, by subject etc, and at last question mark. For example, after object not plus verbs third form, by subject etc, at last question mark. For example, did they not complete the work. Here auxiliary verb come first in the active voice, then we have to write according to object auxiliary verb was or were. So according to object the verb auxiliary verb was, after then object the work, and after then not was the third form. Was the work not completed by them? And suppose that if question word comes in first in active voice, why did they not completed the work? Then question word comes first. In this way, past indefinite tense has also been over. And come to past perfect. Past perfect. You know, in active voice past perfect auxiliary verb had, and here in passive voice past perfect auxiliary verb had been. In affirmative sentence, first of all we have to write object, and after then auxiliary verb been, was third form, by, subject, etc. For example, he had written a poem. So first of all object, a poem auxiliary verb had been. A poem had been, and after then verbs third form, written by, he into him. A poem had been written by him. And suppose that in negative he had not written a poem, then we have to join had plus not plus been. Had not been. Then a poem had not been written by him. And in interrogative sentences, if auxiliary verbs comes first in active voice, then first of all auxiliary verb had, and after then object, and after then been, verbs third form, etc. For example, in active voice, had she punished me. So according to object we have to write first of all had I been punished by them. And suppose that if question what comes first in active voice, for example, when had she punished me, then question words comes first. When had I been punished by them. And in interrogative negative, suppose that if in active voice auxiliary verb come first, then we have to write auxiliary verb first, and after then object, after then not plus been. For example, had she cooked, sorry, had she not cooked food, had she not cooked food, then first of all we have to write auxiliary verb had. We have to write auxiliary verb had, and after then object food, after then not, had food not been, verbs third form, cooked by her. And suppose that equation what comes first, why had she not cooked food, then we have to join question word come, why had food not been cooked by her. In this way we have to solve past perfect tense. So you saw that first of all present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect, after then past indefinite, past continuous and past perfect. So I hope you will be understand these topics. And if you have any doubt, then please inquire in WhatsApp group or please contact me. Thank you.